Welcome to the Truck Monsters. Yeah, are you good? Let's figure this out first. I'm feeling a lot of pressure to say significant things right now, and nothing's really coming to me. Can we make this a threesome? I'm on the mic too, so you got any messages you want to say? Hey dude, watch out, I'm on mic. Yeah, I am actually.
Kid's a beauty.
Yeah. Oh, unnecessary B2B feed. Luckily his cousin picks it up. What a gorgeous night. Probably what, like 75? Nice east to west breeze. Am I screening you there? All right, let me know, yeah. Yeah, I know, seriously. They fucked up, dude. This really isn't going the way I thought it would.
That's a soundbite.
Hey, truck monsters on 3, boys. Get here.
Monsters on 3.
All right, monsters on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Monsters! All right, it was good knowing you guys. I'll see you next summer. Truck Monsters. Revenge of the Trucks.
Cars too.
Sportsmanship. Hey, great game, fellas. Great game. I can't keep it. All right, well, this was the best hour of my life, so thanks. Add me on LinkedIn.